Welcome back to my final morning report chart space on Monday, the 5th of September, with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. We're going to look at gold, and we've had the gold price, which is beginning to gain traction again to the upside. That Friday move on non-farm payrolls certainly benefited commodity prices generally, and gold certainly was one of the main beneficiaries of that big, strong move to the upside. And interestingly enough, it seems as though this big support around 1306, I say around support, around that level, because it's sort of between sort of 1300 and 1310 really, the support level, but that's held on quite nicely and we're pushing higher once again. You've got a crossover buy signal confirmation on the stochastics, similar to this one back in May and also May and July I should say. And the RSI's ticked higher, MACD lines sort of having unwound to neutral as well. So generally speaking, on a longer term basis, that looks positive, doesn't it? And I think that now the bulls will be starting to look higher. You've got this sort of resistance band that came into place around sort of 1325 with an old pivot at 1330. So we're starting to sort of gain a bit of traction this morning above that sort of 1325 level, so that means that we're going to test that 1330 level. If you close above that 1330 level, I think you're looking at 1341, which is that reaction high from the 26th of August. And it certainly looks like the sort of sequence of lower highs is beginning to turn around. You're seeing higher lows posted now as opposed to lower highs at 1309 and then subsequently 1316. 1316 was the initial reaction low after payroll. So 1316 is your key initial support. 1321 you'd say is a minor support level this morning, but certainly pushing out as this as the trading session beginning to get going. And it looks fairly positive, and it looks like a test of 1330 could be seen today. So you're fairly strong on the hourly RSI and MACD lines. Maybe a little bit stretched near term. You could see a bit of an unwinding move. Seems to be as though sort of mid 40s is having previously sort of been the basis of resistance a few days ago, now becoming supportive around that sort of mid late 40s area. So unwinding to sort of 50 would be ideal, I think, on that hourly RSI, but still I think it's looking positive at the moment, and little corrections would be seen as a chance to buy. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.